Okay, in the previous video, we talked about I'm going to make a series on R. So, this is the first video of our series. In this video, we are going to talk about a sample R session. So, in this video, I'm going to take a data of a school children of kindergarten with the different age and with the different weight. So we are going to calculate a mean of that data, standard deviation, and we're going to find a correlation. And finally, we are going to plot a scattered plot by using R. So first of all, you can, if you have the data, if you have the big data, so you can import data by using R and by using Excel or whatever, what kind of file do you have. Because I'm going to use a small data, so I'm going to write the data here. So first of all, I'm going to write the age of the kindergarten students, age, and we have to write a C, right? C function, we have to use the vector function using the function C, which will combine its argument into the vector or list, right? C, and after that I'm going to use the different age. For example, I have one student, his age is 4 years, or we can assume 1 year. The second one have 2 years, the third one have 4 years, the fourth one have 1 year, the fifth one have 10th year, the sixth one have 8 year, the next one, for example, if we say that 2 year, if we say that the next one we say that 8 years, and the next one we can assume that 11 years, and next one we can assume that 2 years, right? And we are going to enter the weight of each student, right? Weight, I'm going to add C component. For example, if I assume that the first student have the weight 3 kg or 3.0 kg or whatever, the second one have 5.2 kg, the third one have 7.0 kg. The next one we can assume that if we have 4.1 kg, the next one if we assume that have the 7.5 kg or 6 kg, whatever you assume. The next one have 7.1 kg. The next one we can assume that have the 5 kg. Next one we can assume that have 10.1 kg or 10 kg. And the next one also we can assume that 10.1 kg. And the last one we assume that if have the 5.0 kg, right? Oh, there is a mistake. I have to add comma here, right? 5.0 kg. So now you can see from the listing, we have already listed data into vector form. So next we are going to calculate mean of weight. I'm going to calculate weight, right? I will press mean, weight, and enter, right? Our mean is 6.37 kg. The average weight of whole class of kindergarten is, the mean weight is 6.3 kg. If we are going to calculate the standard deviation of the whole class, so we are going to write standard deviation and then we are going to write weight of full weight, right? W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. I'm going to press enter and we can see that how to calculate the standard deviation. The result is 2.17922. And if we have to find the correlation, right? If we have to find the correlation, how to find the correlation? It is very simple that we are going to type a command core we are going to give the variables like the two components x and y, right? What is our x? If we assume that our x is age and the y is weight, so I'm going to press enter here. Our correlation is 0.8328. Okay, so from our listing you can clearly see that the mean weight of these 10 kindergarten students is 6.3 kilogram, while the standard deviation of these 10 kindergarten students is 2.17 kg. And from the correlation we can see that there is a strong, very strong relationship between age in month and weight in kilogram, right? 0.83. The relationship of correlation, the relationship of correlation also can be seen in the scatter plot. Okay, how to draw the scatter plot? For example, if I have to draw a scatter plot, so it is very simple to draw a scatter plot. Let's see. I will say plot, and I am going to provide the two values, age and weight, my x and y, right? And I'm going to press enter. Here we go. You can see on the our age and weight, the scattered plot of the students. They have the different weight in kindergarten. Okay, so to save our workspace image, it's you can use the command Q and bracket close and open, right? So it will show the save workspace image to our data, yes or no. So it's depend on you. You want to use save or not. So for today, it's all right. So I already used before that. I decided to use the data in Excel, but I decided like I should not. I have to type the data. So today it's all done. Do not forget to subscribe our video, because in the next video we are going to talk about workspace, how to create a proper workspace, how to use the different commands, and how to install the different packages. And then in the section 2 we are going to in the section 2 we will talk about how to create a data set, and we will explore the different R data structures using data entry, importing data, and etc, etc. And then we will go for the regression analysis and the advanced and the beginner analysis. All right, it's all done. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless you.